Hey guys, my name is Rafi and thank you for watching. I have here another Seth Thomas 113 movement. It came out of a tambour. Very similar to this one I worked on last week. This is the movement that I've already overhauled. And this is the movement, all apart. Now it has a broken silence lever. This is your silence lever. The square arbor portion of it is broken off, so I might have to scrap one from another movement or find it on eBay, or maybe Back in Time might have it. But you can find the value of these clocks if you find the exact model number. Sometimes there will be a sticker underneath it. This one doesn't have a sticker, but according to Tran Duy Ly, you'll find out. Tran Duy Ly is spelled Tran Duy Ly with spaces in between, and you'll find out the model number and how much it was back then, and figure out the inflation costs, and you can find out what's the value of your clock. Now it raises the price of your clock when you have it serviced, like this or this. So it's very important for me to post these videos so that way people can see what is involved in an overhaul and how it looks like before and after. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments in the below. Let me know what model number this Seth Thomas is, and if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer it. Thanks.